going to see if I can get like a super smooth face. So I'm hoping and praying that I didn't like take off too much skin on my face with this, because now I'm going to wax my face with my Nair's pores, with my Nair's wax strips. I'll put one here. This does hurt. You can see the little hairs that I still have on my face. Yes, it does hurt to wax my face. Yes, that hurts. I almost peed on myself. Pull my skin off. I don't know if you all see the hairs. You can see the hairs, and then right behind the hairs you see like some discoloration. Oh, let me pull it back. You can see the hairs, and right behind the hairs you see some discoloration. That's my skin. Crap. Might as well finish up. But this is by far way safer and better for your face and your skin. Just waxing, because it also takes a layer of dead skin off than putting Nair on your face. I wouldn't advise anybody. I saw that like people were putting Nair on their face to wax their eyebrows. I mean, I don't think that's a good idea. You're welcome to do what you want with your face, but this is just pulling off the hair and the dead skin. It's not a chemical. You know what I mean? It's not a chemical. Oh, oh no. Oh, I took my hairline off. You can see I took some of my hairline off. I will do my forehead though. One of the most important things about waxing is when you wax, do not go over the part that you already waxed. So I know I waxed this part, that's why I'm going to leave this up. If you go over the part that you already waxed, it's going to for sure take your hair out. Alright, here we go. So you can see the little hairs. Alright. I think I wax my face like once, I want to say at least once a week. I wax my mustache maybe once a week. Yeah, sometimes twice a week, depending on if I'm sitting there and I'm watching TV and it's captivating. I'll wash twice a week. Okay, so I'm gonna do my forehead. Look how much hair is on this, and it's not a lot, but I'm gonna put this on my forehead, and you can see how much is gonna be left. And I gotta be careful not to put this on my eyebrows because I don't want to take off any of my eyebrows. And I can't go all the way up with this because God knows I do not want to wax my widow's peak. That would not feel good. Guess I still had some of the wax on, the black mask on my face. Okay. All right, I'm going to wax my nose. All right. Then I'm going to do the inside of my nose. All right, and this is the last part. I mean, my waxing routine, which I wax the inside of my nose. And I know you're like, what? But I do have a little bit of hair that's in my nose. And this hurts like hell. Oh, I didn't get that much hair that time. And so when you wax the inside of your nose, if you're going to wax the inside of your nose, do not press against this side of your nose. You only want to press the outside because the inside is your septum, and it doesn't have any hair on it at all anyways, and God knows you do not want to pull anything off of that. Off of that. And that's the hair from the inside of my nose. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. Okay, okay. Oh, it won't come off. Oh, God, it won't come off. Oh, it won't come off. I'm just gonna clean my face off. So if you ever lose the cloth that you use to clean your face when you wax, you could always use any oil to clean it off. Any oil at all. I mean, if you want to take it to the limit, you can even use cooking oil. If you don't have any oil products at your house, like you can use grease. You can use hair grease. What else has oil in it? Some of the facial cleansers have oil in it. You can even use moisturizer to take it off. You can use any oil product to take off the wax that you have. Even if it wastes on the counter, if you waste wax on the counter, you can use any oil products to take it off. If you use like soap and water, it won't do anything. It'll stick. It continues to stick. But if you want to take off wax, you can use oil products. And now I'm just wiping off the oil. Stay tuned for a preview of my next episode. hope that you all have enjoyed this beauty tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys next time. Bye!